It is now my pleasure to invite Sumit Verma, Chair of the Board of Trustees, to the lectern. Sumit will present our honorary degree candidate, Matthew James Vogel, for the Doctor of Arts, honoris causa. Matt Vogel and Chancellor Strobel, would you please join me?
It is my honor to introduce Matthew James Vogel as the candidate for the Honorary Doctorate of Arts from Webster University. I'm pleased to read out highlights from the citation. You have spent decades educating countless youth and adults on values that can be applied throughout their lives. You have created memorable productions that offer enriching and enlightening programming to the global community, contributing to the legacy that began over a half-century ago. You have inspired students to apply their skills and talents to make a positive impact on our ever-changing world. And you have shown to the world what is possible when you keep your childhood dreams close to your heart and never let them go. Webster University is proud to confer you the Honorary Doctorate of Arts degree. Chancellor Strobel, I am pleased to present Matthew James Vogel for the Doctorate of Arts, honoris causa.
Thank you, Chair Verma. This is a special day, of course, but it is also a special day because we have with us our alum, Matt Vogel. His life and career embody the values of individual excellence and global citizenship, exemplifying Webster's vision and mission. Webster University, of course, is proud to call him an alum, an inspiration, and a friend. So, by virtue of the authority vested in Webster University by the state of Missouri, and upon recommendation of the Board of Trustees, I hereby confer upon Matthew James Vogel the Doctor of Arts honoris causa degree with all the rights and privileges appertaining to that degree.